National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southern Jefferson County in central Kentucky, northeastern Bullitt County in central Kentucky, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Hollyville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Hollow Creek, Spring Mill, Highview, Fern Creek, Newburgh, and Oklahoma around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Louisville International Airport, Hunters Hollow, Sixton, Whitfield, Brooks, and Hillview. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.